Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your runs aren't appearing on Strava after using Runna, it's usually a connection or permission issue. The good news is that most syncing problems can be fixed in just a few minutes. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to fix the not syncing to Strava issue in Runna in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So important reality check, okay, most sync issues are account or permission problems. Fix usually takes under 5 minutes. No need to reinstall the app in most cases. It works the same on iPhone and Android, okay? So always check your account's connection first, okay? So why Runna isn't syncing to Strava? Common causes include Strava not connected properly, permissions not allowed, internet turned off after the run, logged into the wrong accounts, sync delays or app glitches. So most issues are caused by broken connections. Okay, so open the Runna app, go to settings, okay, tap connected apps, check if Strava shows as connected. Okay, if it's not connected, reconnect it. Okay, so this is the fix number one. Fix number two, in connected apps, tap Strava, tap disconnect, tap connect again, and log into your Strava account. So, and then allow all permissions. This fixes the most sync problems. You can also force sync the workout. So make sure your phone has internet. Open the Runna app, open your recent workout, wait a few seconds for the sync. Some workouts take time to appear, or you can open the Strava app, go to profile, confirm you are logged into the right accounts. Many sync issues are account related. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.